you how to edit your Join Us Celebrate Our Super Graduate Invitation on Canva. So when you have your picture that you would like to put onto your invitation, there is a placeholder section right here. All you need to do is take, and on the left side of your screen you will see a section where it says upload. All you do is decide which picture you would like to upload to your Canva account. Take that picture once it's uploaded and you click on it and you just drag it over and you drop it right into that little circle area, and that will put your picture in there. Now you can double click on your photo and you can make it larger, you can slide it around, shift it however you like. Once you get it to the way it is, you just click off of it and it's there for you. Then all of the rest of this is not editable. You cannot edit this part, but down in the bottom you can edit the text, and you can choose the text over here on the left side. Again, you can choose the type of text you would like to use. Now there are some texts that are part of the pro version of Canva. If you see a little crown, that means that it's a pro version and that you would have to pay extra for it. You can still use it, but Canva is going to charge you extra to use that font. All you need to do is you need to go in and you can choose a font from the side that you want to change it to if you want to use a free font. You can also change the size of your font. So if you want to make it larger or smaller, you just come up here to the plus or the minus. You can change the size of it. Then also, if you'd like to change the color, all you do is you come on over here and you hit that A with a little rainbow bar underneath it, and all you need to do is change the text color that you want to do. So the only two sections on this invitation that you can edit is the invitation time, place, all that in their section, and as well as the picture. Hopefully this was helpful.